how to buy glitch Gremlin AI token. So this token came under the symbol of Gremlin AI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the Dex screener, as you can see. So the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That means your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, remember this token came under this one network. Now copy the token address from here, open your Phantom wallet. Now after that, click on swap. And here just make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is it. Just click on it. Now type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. Select the provider from here, for example Radium via Jupiter, and after that make sure to read all that information. Click on swap and you will be redirected to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Gremlin or Gremlin AI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.